My name is Mazal from Mazal Tov Restaurant, and we are here today to show you the food that we basically cook on Hanukkah. And some of the food needs to be fried, but we have a way of reducing that. But the oil symbolizes our holiday. So I basically made potato latkes, which is a typical dish that we have in Hanukkah. I also made sweet potato, yam, latkes, and apple latkes, and zucchini latkes. So you have your choices, okay? Basically, the potato latkes, you do it with the white potatoes, eggs, a little bit of flour. I'm sure the recipe is going to be online. Some salt and pepper. And you fry it with a little bit of oil. And then, of course, you put it on a paper, so it soaks all the oil. And you do the same thing, the apples. Basically, they're all the same thing, except the apple latkes needs more flour. So for those who's watching their weight, skip the apple. And
what do people say when they eat them?
That's all we get out of it. Delicious. And we also make sufganiyot, which is something like donuts, but and we fill them with Boston cream, with lemon, with cherry pie filling, raspberry, all kinds of preference.